It was one of those gloomy rainy days in the city, where the clouds seemed to hang low and heavy, almost as if they were trying to squeeze the life out of everything below. Mia was stuck in the middle of it all, her umbrella flipping inside out as she rushed to catch the bus that was already running late. She could feel the weight of the world on her shoulders, juggling deadlines at work and her dad's hospital bills piling up. As she sprinted down the slippery sidewalk, she noticed a man sitting on the curb, his clothes tattered and soaked, a cardboard sign reading, "Anything helps." Normally, Mia would keep her head down, avoiding eye contact, but today something tugged at her heartstrings. She hesitated for a moment, her mind racing with thoughts about her own struggles, but she couldn't shake the feeling that this man needed help more than she did. So, she dug into her bag and pulled out the last few dollars she had. When she handed it to him, their eyes met, and she saw a flicker of surprise mixed with gratitude on his face. His name was Tom, and as they exchanged a few words, Mia found herself sitting next to him, sharing a moment of connection amidst the chaos of the city. Tom told her about his life, how he'd lost his job, and how things had spiraled out of control after a bad divorce. Mia shared her own struggles, feeling lighter as she spoke about her dad and the pressure she felt at work. In that moment, they were just two souls navigating through their storms, finding solace in each other's company. Then, just as the rain started to ease up, a woman approached them, holding a steaming cup of coffee. She was a local barista, and she'd seen Tom around the neighborhood before. With a warm smile, she handed him the coffee and said, "You look like you could use this." Mia watched as Tom's face lit up, and for the first time in a while, she saw a glimmer of hope in his eyes. They all started chatting, the three of them creating a little bubble of warmth on that dreary day. Mia felt a sense of community forming, a reminder that kindness could sprout even in the most unlikely places. As they spoke, Mia realized that helping Tom had also helped her, lifting some of the weight off her shoulders. It was like a light switch had been flipped. Suddenly, her problems felt a little less daunting. Eventually, the rain stopped, and the sun peeked through the clouds, casting a golden glow on the city. Mia stood up, ready to head back to her world, but not without promising Tom that she'd check in on him. She left him with a few resources, a list of shelters and food banks, along with her number, just in case he needed someone to talk to. As she walked away, she felt different, like a part of her had been awakened by that simple act of compassion. Mia realized that sometimes, helping others was the best way to help yourself. And who knew, maybe Tom would find his way back to his feet, and they could meet again someday, sharing stories of how they both turned their lives around. In a world that often feels cold and disconnected, a small act of kindness can ignite a spark of hope, reminding us that we're all in this together.